Congratulations on your new child-safe shades from Fenstermann. This video will show you how to properly install these shades. You will need a pencil, a drill and a screwdriver for the installation. Take the UGARD Plus rails and the shade out of the box, but put the shade aside for now. Hold the UGARD Plus profiles to the wall or casing. If you have a small gap in height, center the profiles. Make sure the profile is totally plumb and the profiles install exactly across each other. The profile is already pre-drilled for the installation. Please mark the holes with your pencil and repeat this on the other side. Now remove the UGARD Plus profiles and drill the holes for the installation. Depending on the material of the wall or casing, you might need to use anchors. Place the profiles back into the casing and use the supplied screws to mount them securely to the wall. As the next step, take your shades and unwind the cord. Be careful doing this to not get the cords tangled. Place the shade carefully between the UGARD Plus profiles. Take the top installation shoe and slide it over the base. Make sure it locks behind the shoe lock. Repeat this step for the other top side. Now pull on the bottom installation shoe and do the same. The last installation shoe is on tension and you have to pull it to get it onto the base. Now move the top rail to the top and the bottom rail to the bottom. The cords will adjust to an even tension. Your shades are now properly installed and the integrated child safety mechanism is engaged.